Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Techie King. Are you looking for reliable and efficient AC services in Phoenix? Welcome to Phoenix AC Service, your local solution for both commercial and residential AC repairs. We're adept at servicing split AC/window AC systems, ensuring your comfort all year round. Phoenix AC Service keeps your home or business running at maximum efficiency. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. Meet John, a homeowner in Secunderabad. He shares, "When my split AC broke down in the middle of a heat wave, Phoenix AC Service was my lifeline. They arrived promptly, fixed the problem, and had my home cool again in no time. Their service was top-notch." Alice, a local business owner in Hyderabad, says, "Before we found Phoenix AC Service, we were constantly dealing with AC issues. But now, our system runs smoothly and efficiently. Their maintenance services are simply unbeatable." And then there's Raj, a property manager, who praises, "Phoenix AC Service installed several units in our apartment complex. Their team was professional and the units have been running perfectly. It's clear they prioritize customer satisfaction." These are just a few examples of the many satisfied customers who have trusted Phoenix AC Service with their AC needs. But that's not all. Our products are environmentally safe, energy efficient, and eco-friendly. We're committed to a healthier planet, offering air cleaning services that sterilize your indoor air, reducing disease spread. With Phoenix AC Service, you can breathe easy knowing your air is clean and your AC is running efficiently. So, why wait? Isn't it time you experience the peace of mind that comes with reliable, efficient air conditioning service? With Phoenix AC Service, you're not just getting a contractor, you're gaining a dedicated team committed to your comfort and satisfaction. We're here to repair, install, and optimize your AC systems, ensuring you're always at the perfect temperature. Remember, we are just one call away. Contact Phoenix AC Service today and experience the difference of a reliable, efficient AC service. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please hit subscribe and share button.